because I don't want to wreck my bike or my electrics. Okay, that's in. Fairly easy so far. What's next? Now, I can't work out if this is the front or if this is the back. Not helpful. So I'm going to put these back into here, because that's where they were. Gosh. So that's that. I don't feel like they fit as much as the other ones did before. So that was B. We all get one. I've got to find this 3. Where's this 3 that they're talking about? Ah, right. No, done it already. Should have put the bottom metal washers. Oh no, they're T's. No, I am confused now. So it's saying 3 should be going through 3 the squishy. Okay. I don't know what, I do not know what that is, because that's not what they look like. It looks like they've added something, doesn't it? But can you see that? Probably not. I'm probably waving this and not being able to see anything, but 3, yeah. And it's talking about washers that I just don't have. I'm not taking that unit off. Right, okay, fine. So it's saying 2 goes there, like that, at the bottom. So let's get these on and do B first. Already one of the backing ones has fallen out. Okay, just gonna put them in loosely. Wait, sliding. Yep, it is. No, it's not. It's just turning around. Great. Where's that going in? Because hold an angle. There we go. Kind of it's slightly overlapping the actual point where the screw needs to go in. But like anything I do, it might be like right. Okay, that one's gone in better. Then these come on. Right, go in the hole, please. There we go. Not sure what the purpose of this metal washer is. Whatever. She was on the before and after, didn't I? Doesn't feel right with these metal washers on this side, but oh, come on, home. There we go. Yeah, see the metal washer, it's quite loose there. I don't see the point of it being there. Is that right? But yeah, I can see why they don't go too fast, because look how it lifts. Don't know if you can see that. Let's bring you in. This now lifts quite a bit more than it did, because before this was still there, but for some reason it didn't seem to move as much. So not sure what's going on there. I am going to look. Do they have Givi Screen fitting instructions? They do. Yeah, of course. Lots of instructions for lots of different things. However, I'm going to go with what the picture says. The picture definitely says washer on the outside. Unless it's saying that's the washer on... No, yeah, it's got to be the washer on the outside, because look, otherwise I wouldn't be able to get the screw. I can't come in from this angle. So the two washers have to go there. Right, okay, let's give it a bit more of a tighten. Not too tight, because I won't be able to get it off when I hand the bike back in. And there we go. Wasn't too onerous. Should be a lot more wind protection from me. Or for me, sorry, not from me. Oh, I've got lots of wind. Yeah, I know, I'm mounting the bike the wrong side. Sitting on it properly. And I've also cooked up the angle. There we go. Still learning all this crap. But that's a lot higher now. If I'm stood on the pegs, it's got good clearance, so I'm not going to be chinning if I come forward as a result of being offline. Not offline, off-road. Yeah, that's good actually. It means I can tap down, it's got good visibility. Yeah, I'm happy with that. My first proper installation and modification of my bike. Whoa, go me. So, if you want a Givi windscreen for your BMW 310 GS, oh, in fact, you can probably use this for the R as well. You can see just how clear this screen is. It's all good. I'm just going to take the stickers off, and then I've got a new screen fitted. Go. One. Two. There's already a dog hair there. Awesome. 3. Job done. Thanks for watching.